These two kitties are Sparkle and Silver. That was Silver. She got her collar off. Sparkle's going to have a blue collar on. They've been racing back and forth here, playing. There they are. So Sparkle, well, Sparkle, there comes Sparkle. And there is Silver. They are sisters. They're pretty much twins. I've been trying to take pictures of them for the last 30 minutes. And they don't slow up long enough to really get a good picture. So, right now they're getting... What are you doing? I'm playing with my camera bag. That won't be good. They've been racing back and forth. So now that I am doing a video... Hi, little one. So remember, this one's Silver. That should be Silver. The one over there is Sparkle. They're gorgeous kitties. Their fur, when you pet them, is very thick. They're just really beautiful girls. Silver tends to like to carry all the toys, like she's a hunter. She'd be an excellent hunter. So these two kitties are Sparkle and Silver, both females, and they're both ready to be adopted. She's watching her sister, who still has a toy. Oh, she just dropped her toy. So that is Sparkle and Silver.